कैन यू इमेजिन माई फ्रेंड, अगर कोई इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश वीडियो कभी नहीं देखा है, कभी कोई उसके सामने इंग्लिश बोला ही नहीं है और वो कभी इंग्लिश बुक पढ़ा ही नहीं है, तो इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीख सकता है? दिस इज़ रियली डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर दैट पर्सन, है कि नहीं? तो अगर वह पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति इस लैंग्वेज को बोलना चाह रहा है तो वो कैसे सीख सकता है? हाउ कैन दैट पर्सन कैन लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया? I have one idea that I applied on me. You won't believe, my friend, I wasn't able to understand each and everything. It was really difficult for me to comprehend the things. मेरे लिए ना चीज़ों को समझना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था, स्पेशली इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश वीडियोस को मैं नहीं समझ पाती थी, इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश बुक्स को मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी while reading. Then what did I do? First of all, I learned tenses. पहले मैंने टेंसेस को पढ़ा, उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत और ग्रामर के पार्ट को मैंने क्लियर किया और उसके बाद मैं ट्रांसलेशन सीखने लगी, यू नो हाउ टू ट्रांसलेट हिंदी टू इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, एंड मैं चीज़ों को लर्न करना शुरू कर दी। तो इसी तरीके से आप भी शुरू कर सकते हैं। लेट मी शेयर दिस थिंग इन इंग्लिश। हेलो फ्रेंड, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो बाय आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन. Can you imagine a person can't understand English if someone speaks, if he reads? Then how come he can speak English language? I've heard many people, they say that don't translate into your mother tongue. Just learn this language directly. Can you imagine, my friends, a person who doesn't know anything, how can he start speaking this language? How can he start comprehending the things? It's really very difficult, and for that reason there are many people, they are unable to learn English language. Today I'm here to share with you that why you should translate, why you should start your journey from translation. See, my friend, it's really very difficult to understand English to English. As a beginner, everyone goes through this problem. You know, if you are non-native speaker, if you haven't heard English language, or if you are not a good book reader, then you might be facing a lot of challenges while understanding if someone is speaking, while reading, if you read book. So how can you speak this language? You are going to suffer so much. For that reason, my friend, I always keep saying that start learning tenses. You won't believe, when I was a beginner, I wasn't able to understand anything. Even when I used to read book, I used to stuck many places. Why? Because my grammar was not cleared, you know. And one thing also, I wasn't able to understand passive voice. When they were using, the patient has been taken to the hospital, then I was thinking why they are saying like that. What is the meaning has been taken? Because I wasn't able to understand passive voice, okay, and I wasn't able to understand properly causative, conditional. So many topic were there, and people they use while speaking, and writer they use while writing the books and all. So if we don't have good commands on those topics, how can we start understanding the thing? And if we don't understand, how come we can speak this difficult language? As we know that English is a difficult language, right? So for understanding it, we need to pick up easy one. I would say that हमें ना इंग्लिश को ईजी से शुरू करना चाहिए. जैसे ट्रांसलेशन से, अगर आपका ग्रामर क्लियर है, जैसे अगर आपका टेंसेस क्लियर है, तो आप छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस को बना सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे हो, आप कहाँ से हो, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, आपने खाना खाया, हैव यू हैड योर फूड. इन दिस वे यू कैन आस्क मल्टीपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन, एंड हाउ कैन यू रिमेंबर दोज सेंटेंसेस? बाय ट्रांसलेटिंग. So my friend, believe me or not, I did this thing as a beginner, and many people, they are starting from this kind of activity. They are starting by learning tenses, and if you ask to them, then they say that I have started English to English, I didn't learn tenses, you know. They say that I started understanding when I started listening people. No, you won't be able to understand each and everything. But my friend, if you start learning grammar, then you will start understanding things. And once you start understanding things, things will be easy for you. You will start speaking properly, you will start reading properly, and your journey will become easier. Okay, as a beginner, I used to suffer so much. I was thinking, really, this language is very difficult. I was not able to understand when someone was speaking, and you might be having the same situation. You might be not able to understand each and everything if someone would be speaking. आप भी अगर कुछ सुनते होंगे किसी का स्पीच, तो आप 100% सभी चीज़ को नहीं समझ पाते होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि आप ग्रामर नहीं जानते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास वोकैबुलरी नहीं है. You know what? If we talk about vocabulary, so everyone has this problem, not only you. But coming to tenses and coming to grammar, if you learn once, then you will not have to suffer your entire life or in your entire learning journey. For that reason, why not learning grammar, my friend? It takes only few weeks, it takes only few months. Okay, so start from today onwards. Don't wait for whether I can understand if someone is speaking or whether I can understand while reading or not. If you wait, you are wasting your time. So from today onwards, learn grammar. Afterward, start translating. And once you start translating, you will have a lot of sentences in your head. And you can use them while talking to someone. You can use them while recording your video, you know. If you speak at least 10 sentences in English, it means you speak English. But if you don't speak even a single sentence in English, it means that you don't speak English, right? So at least try from the easy one. And I believe that this is the easy way to learn English language. It is not the matter of Hindi, it's the matter of all languages. Whatever your mother tongue is, whatever language you have, or I would say that whatever your mother tongue is, don't hesitate to translate, you know, your mother tongue to English or English to your mother tongue. Because in this way, you can comprehend the things. And once you understand or comprehend the thing, you can speak this language or you can learn this language easy way. Why we make this journey little difficult? Because we hear from so many places. That person is saying this thing, that person is saying this thing. We don't have our own opinion, you know. So let's try to experience. My friend, whatever I'm sharing with you, it's my real experience. I used to watch videos related to translation, you know, how to translate it. So in your case also, after learning tenses, start learning translation. Okay, and not only tenses, whatever important topics are there. Tenses, passive voice, modals, conditional, causative, preposition, conjunction, these kinds of topics try to clear. And afterward, start translating. Afterward, start listening so many, you know, videos, and then you will see that you will start understanding. And once you start understanding, things are clear or things got easy for you, and then you will start speaking also. So my friend, as a learner, we do mistake, we pick up the difficult one, and that is why our mind start opposing us. No, I won't help you. Says that no, I won't help you because we are giving the difficult task. My friend, we have to make it habit. And once we pick up the easy one, then our mind will be prompt to do that work every single day. And once we get into that habit, that particular habit, we'll do that work automatically. Same thing goes with this language also. If you are picking up the difficult one, if you do it for 1 week, anyhow your mind will do, but afterward your mind will say that no, I won't help you and I won't learn new things. And you will think that no, this language is really very difficult. Somewhere you will give up. Okay, and I don't want you to give up. I want you to continue. I want you to learn this language. And this is the message for all the villagers. And this message is for those people who thinks that English is very difficult. And if we can't understand English, if someone is speaking while reading, we can't speak this language. No, my friend, for few weeks or for few months, you won't be able to understand and speak. But my friend, It won't take so much time if you are consistent or if you are doing a lot of hard work in order to learn this language. So as a beginner, I used to do this kind of thing. I used to focus on translation and reading and then listening also. All the things I did, and now I speak this language. In your case also, you will also speak very good way. But if you think this is difficult, it will be difficult. So my friend, start from the easy one. Okay, so today I want to say you stop लर्निंग इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश इफ़ यू आर ए ट्रूली बिगनर. अगर आप एक बिगनर हैं तो इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश अगर समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं तो आप हिंदी टू इंग्लिश शुरू करिए और इंग्लिश टू हिंदी शुरू करिए. यू नो, जो भी आपके लिए इजी हो वहाँ से शुरू करिए. लोगों को देख कर मत चलिए. जस्ट लाइक इफ़ दैट पर्सन इज़ डूइंग द सेम एक्टिविटी, आई विल आल्सो डू द सेम एक्टिविटी. नो, it may not work on you. That is why, my friend, keep listening, keep reading, and keep learning grammar also. But you don't have to learn grammar years and years. Just give few weeks, and afterward your base will be formed. And once your base is formed, no need to pay a lot of heed, my friend. You can start speaking this language. So this is so simple. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.